back to my channel. I know it's been a minute since I posted any videos or anything, but a lot of things have changed. When I say a lot of things have changed, a lot of things have changed. So I'm gonna do an update video. I don't know what kind of video I'm gonna do, but it's gonna be an update video explaining everything. But I came to the video to do an apartment tour. So yeah, I'm gonna show you, how my apartment looks so far. It's not fully furnished, but once it's fully furnished, I'm gonna come back and do a fully furnished apartment tour. So let's get started. So when you walk in, this is the front door. So when you walk in, you will see how the view will look when you walk in through the door. This area is going to be the dining room area. We're going to set up our dining table, so don't mind the mess, the boxes, stuff, and we're still setting in. So over here gonna be the dining room table. Dining room, where the dining room table will be and everything. And here's our closet. Currently I have like a pack of water bottles and some laundry detergent with some brooms and mops. So from here I go to the kitchen. This is our kitchen so far. And how my kitchen looking. It's the kitchen. So once you leave the kitchen, you leave the dining room area, you're in the living room area. So this is our new couch that we just got. So it's where the living room is. So this is the living room. I have an idea of how I want to decorate the living room. Like probably have like some chairs around here. Maybe on that side with a rug and then some plants. With an end table on each side, with a console table, and probably have like a painting up here or up here, and then the lamps. The thing that I don't like about this apartment is there's no light. It's only a light in the dining room table, the kitchen, and the bathroom, and the little hallway area. But yeah, so I have like a lamp here to be like our light. And so I'll probably gonna leave the lamp here, have like maybe a plant on each side. This is my son's playpen or the baby. And then when you leave the living room area, this is my office area where I currently work from home. I'm currently gonna turn this into like my office, my business area, because I do have a business. So my little this is gonna be you probably have like a little drawer here, chairs or something, I don't know, but I haven't decided yet. When you leave the living room, goes into the hallway. Like I said, it's only light in the hallway and light in the bathroom. So this is how our bathroom looks. Like the light in here is perfect, like perfect. So this is the bathroom. So you do have like a medicine cabinet. So like it opens like this. I have like some stuff in here already, so this is how it is. So we have like our sink and stuff. And this door goes into where the toilet and the shower is. So this is very beneficial for like if you have guests and they want to like come wash their hands, they don't have to like see the toilet and the shower. They could just wash their hand here and then go out about their day. So, yeah. And once you get back here, we go to the bedroom area. We have two closets. So, this is the AC unit. We have the AC unit in here. I have like my jeans and jackets in here. Some candles. This is like the storage area. Your toilet paper and toilet. And I have some of my baby stuff in here. So this is like one closet, and the other closet is here. So I have like some of my clothes in here, my shoes under there, and then the hamper and stuff like that. I'm not finished. Even though I kind of like been here for probably a month, I think. So I'm walking further. Like this is how the room is. Like there's really no light in here, so you have to make your own light. So yeah, because this is how the room, don't mind the mess, just cleaning. So So like I was thinking about, I bought these two little shelves to put like our stuff on there. I already started putting some of my stuff on there. So I have my things and my son's stuff in here. So I've still gotta put some more stuff. I want to put like maybe a painting or some plants. My husband has his like pictures hanging there. I wanna as well hang pictures here. As well hang some pictures on this side of the dresser. The one that mess I'm still like getting settled in. I have my son's closet with all his clothes and stuff. And we have the TV up here. We was going to hang it on the wall, but like my husband and his dad couldn't really secure on the wall, so we just decided to leave it here. On my wall, thinking about getting the dresser to put either here or maybe here, or maybe like a bookshelf here. I don't know yet, but still thinking of what I could do. Gonna get a rug to go here. I do want to change the bedding. Bed says I will be changing it. This is a queen, so I might change it up to a king. So yeah, I'm getting that settled and stuff. Hope you guys enjoy this quick little short apartment tour. I know it wasn't like fancy or anything, but I'll make it do what it do, you know. So I can't wait to start, finish unpacking stuff and decorating and buying some furniture and stuff. I would love, you guys to comment some, decoration ideas, like what I should put in each room and stuff, like painting ideas, like what furniture and stuff like that. Like, please comment down below. So please like, comment, subscribe for more videos. And yeah, bye.